Stay ayui chỉ không mọi lệ cái à cho hút dứt kết chỉ bên nó gì cho hút dứt phơi đi bio Proctor mà cho hút dứt phơi đi đúng không ama lệ cái đó nó có rẻ cái đuôi cả chết cái ufat sa chết cái đó vút cái đuôi đi đúng đâu đi đâu đó Tulsa New Tulsa cái sao cả cái mình đâu đồ đi đúng cả ở đây lóc ra mà đi vào là vật chân mà đi đâu lấy cái đi đúng được đi vào là gì cái ô din mình ở đây chỗ là đi đâu mà cho nó hàng gì mà không có cái mấy vật chân ở phố kia đúng cả mình ở chỗ chỗ lấy mình ayui mình ít đó Wajina impuna kadat kisu se sahagi bari dundoes mues samanitu sit alia Mvskoke impuna kada madi gusin kisa yadido tihet ki wajina ke jaga hijenuat but abona yagi Naxton muy punay activities kon. Yogi says all here didunga. Mues mahakajokodat allegidia do it. Sabute di kon. Yogi says do it. Hayuat punadat punsongahani mahogat man. Agi says you do it. Hayo it. In the monite, Umadulaging that. Hayo it was say, okay, Hoji, mood fully at the dunga. Was an it to that. Wajina imbunaka, Adigusin, Pona Pohagito. More stress. Ogida Ojin. Ayui fully out. Emongahana, Emongostohana, Kisisko, Hagita itu idunga. Moes, Ayui Agisezia, do it. Ponagada, you say who did this come? Agisezia do it. Moes Mohana Pikliskun for Libya tos kun Agisezia do it. Samanito Umatulagi ang idat. Tuwe da sahanat. Kislagit fulla ka di dun skun. Iya Agisezia do it. Inyakap ka dat. Kinsa was it? Moit. Ohits ho edi dundo. Avono rangida. Wala. Kedagin. Full ho edi dundo. Nak kislagit. Boxi nak tuwahana kislagit. Fulla edi dundo. Wajanit da. Sigo hagit ayit to dundo. Moes. Ayui fully out. Naklabedis kudai hagi dai to idundo. Ajasak was at that. Sabojada des, Sabuzida des, Moindakla again. Punakadad, Amuna hoid. Ajachula dunga. Moin Agisezia. Mara moin. Ambuidagides. Amosastagides. When Imbonai diskun. Agisse dedui. Tamanitro, Sahitoyadi, Italoda, Marigusin, Arlen, Arizula de Dunga. Within it today's Madamoan, which to it undo. Are you at that? Either what's a man, I hit said. Jakobeda Kisalo, Moes to us. Pokfanga Gaho that. Mariego Zinman, Zahoman, Nak, to it, Azania, but I hit it. After it under. I owe it. She my leg at. Wait, I said we said it under. For now that, it's the aboogin. Wait, in one night, I said we said much. Wait, how give a hanat? It's a hard it is. Boys, are you at that? Najosit, Mvskoke, Imunakala, Kislagin. Pohoski, Bohagito. Moet, Widagi, Tuatska. Moet, Bohana Kisliskon. Asagat, so, Moes to us. Modenetida, Susiba. I guess I agree. Some need to so to lock of that. Do it. I think it's there who did it kiss all those stores, no stores. Are you at that? It all that. No Joe's in a husky. Pull again no stores. And make a that. You mag get let's get that. Malaki how you do it. Mara moen. Is the Molga full that. I know this guy more just smile. I did a do it. Go right. The men are it's in our stores. I know it's get that. Jingo is hard at keeping. Estin way. Moed. I did that. I did a do it. Together with the Dunga. Not so good. Una hoedi. Estin gets CBID. Are you at that? I guess I just could have it to it under. Moes, Fatsen, Pomonahoin. Tagin, Pomonahoin under. Are you it? Me could I. The Mogis said, could I? My luck is scared they are. Moedon. Who they are? Modernity die. Wajina, and Bonagarigus in Moed. Bonai, man. Marigus is to us. She gets again. It's too many to do as God. Moed for Lani, Pomadilagi, I guess says again. Madamoan, I guess says it's a hiddle. Chimonado, I don't know. Marigo in market, but so fake on the bed under. My name's Proctor. I'm of the Bear Clan on my mother's side. My dad was called Raccoon Clan. And his grounds was New Tulsa. And myself, I grew up around Eufaula, a ceremonial ground up there. The main grounds they called Eufaula Canady, but the one that I was raised up at was called Ufology. I guess it was just a break off of the main grounds. But as I was growing up, I did not know a word of English. I could not speak English until I was about 5 years old. And I started school. And sometimes I wonder, how I made it through going to school, not even understanding what they were saying. But I was okay. I made it through. And today, I speak still free my language. And I wish I knew more, but I don't. It's a lot of stories that were told to us, but we are now forgetting them. They're in the past, and that's what we're talking about today. All you young people, when you hear the word, it's good to learn it. I try to. I used to stay with my grandparents, and that's all they talked. That's all I listened to. And being a young person, your elders look at you, the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you do things. They kind of knew what you were going to turn out to be. They had people they call fortune tellers now. They know what can happen tomorrow, next day. They will let you know. A lot of that, they relied on a lot of that stuff. But now, we don't have any left. And as time goes, we are starting to lose our language. There ain't much of us left that knows this language. And it's a good language to learn. Not everybody knows it anymore. That's how we talk is English. But as you young people grow, you'll be thinking of us as the elders, like we think of our elders. A lot of us think of them on a daily basis. And this is what we trying to preserve the language. If you can learn one, maybe 2 words, few words, that's good. And that's what I mostly said in my talk, my little speech, whatever you want to call it. If you can learn a little bit, try. It's good. Preserve it as long as you can. And that's all I had to say. Mado.